Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing good. As you know that we have started our chapter household circuits, and we have done one part of that chapter, that is we have started with the definition of what are circuits and what are household circuits, what about electric power stations, substations and main substations, right? And we have done the wiring system also. Means supply to the house take place with the help of three wires: live, neutral and earth wire, that we have done in our last class. So today we are starting with our next chapter, that is house wiring, right? That is house wiring. Means the power flowing out of the main switch, the power that is flowing out of the main switch can be distributed in our house by ring system, right? Means the power and the current flowing out of the main switch can be distributed in our house with the help of ring system. So what is a ring system? In this system, wiring is placed in the form of a ring, right? Right? Wiring is placed in the form of ring, right? And nowadays only ring system we are using in our house or in our homes. So in this system, wiring is placed in the form of a ring. Wires starting from the main fuse box. The main fuse box always situated outside your home, means outside your rooms, entrance of the house, right? And it contain a fuse of 30 ampere, right? It is run around all the rooms in the house and are brought back to the main fuse box. Current will flow through the all the house rooms or all the rooms, and the extra current be brought back with the help of neutral wire to the main fuse box or the main switch box. So an electrical appliance are connected directly to the ring with a separate fuse and a separate switch. This means if you have a refrigerator or you have a microwave, you have a AC, all these appliances have their own fuse, and they have their own separate switch, and these appliances are attached with other appliances or with other bulb, tube lights, fans with the help of an electric circuit, and they all are connected in the form of a ring, right? I'll explain to you with the help of this diagram. So suppose this is a main fuse box or main switch box. The main switch box contains three wires: live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. The main function of live wire is to connect it brings the current from the power station to our homes, right? So it's a live wire. It is always active and always carries current, right? And all the wires, means not all the wires, only live wires contain a fuse. Sometimes extra current will flow through them, so to control the extra flow of current, there is a fuse that is present in the live wire. Then we have neutral wire. What is the role of neutral wire? The extra current that is flowing through the circuit is brought back to the main switchboard with the help of neutral wire. Earth wire, the extra current will go inside the earth. That is the main function of the earth wire. So suppose this is our room, right? This is our room. This is a fan is there, switchboard is there, lamp is there, right? This is one room. This is the second room. Fan is there, switchboard is there, sockets are there, right? So all these appliances are connected in a ring system, right? They are connected in a ring system. So means this is one room, this is second room, this is third room, right? First, second, third room, they all are connected in a ring, right? For each electrical appliance, the wire used for connection should be of proper current carrying capacity, right? For each electrical appliance, means if we have fan, if we have AC, right? So every appliance should have a proper current carrying wire that is having proper current carrying capacity, ठीक है? बिकॉज सारा करंट तो वायर से लेके जाना है. अगर थिन होंगी तो ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगा, राइट? अगर थिक होंगी तो ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो करेगा, राइट? सो इन केस ऑफ शॉर्ट सर्किट्स, द फ्यूज दैट पर्टिकुलर इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस विल मेल्ट एंड डिस्कनेक्ट इट फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. मोस्टली व्हेन देयर इज अ शॉर्ट सर्किट और लाइट कम होती है, डिम होती है, तो फटाफट हम क्या बंद करते हैं? एसी बंद कर देते हैं, फैंस टीवी बंद कर देते हैं, जो हैवी अप्लायंसेज हैं उनको बंद करते हैं, राइट? सो दे बिकॉज दे हैव देयर पर्सनल फ्यूज, तो अपने आप वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. नो नीड टू स्विच ऑफ द मेन स्विच बोर्ड, ठीक है? दे विल डिस्कनेक्ट देमसेल्व्स, राइट? एंड आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज, what is the advantage of ring system? What is the advantage of ring system? No, now the advantage of ring system is that in case of short circuits only one appliance is disconnected, ठीक है? शॉर्ट सर्किट क्योंकि हर अप्लायंसेस का अपना फ्यूज है तो अपने आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. इन दिस कनेक्शन लेंथ ऑफ वायरिंग यूज्ड इज क्वाइट लेस, ठीक है? मीन्स if I explain it to you, as a single ring feeds the whole house, ठीक है? पूरे हाउस में एक ही रिंग सिस्टम चलता है. as the single ring feeds the whole house, therefore lengthening of wire used is quite less, क्योंकि एक ही रिंग सिस्टम ने हमने बनाना है, हमने 2-3 नहीं बनाने हैं, तो एक रिंग सिस्टम में कम वायरिंग यूज होती है. so the cost of wiring become less. Third point, as we increase or decrease the thickness of the wire, depending upon the load of the electric appliance, depending upon the which type of appliances we are using, so we can reduce the cost of the wiring too, right? Next is प्लग्स एंड सॉकेट्स ऑफ द सेम साइज कैन बी यूज. जो प्लग्स हैं, सॉकेट्स हैं, उनको सेम साइज का हम यूज कर सकते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज ऑल द अप्लायंसेस हैव देयर पर्सनल फ्यूज, सो वी कैन यूज स्मॉल प्लग्स एंड सॉकेट्स, राइट? राइट. So one more point is there, if we want to install a new appliances, in a ring system, it is economical and convenient because it can be directly connected to the main switch running around the house. हम आराम से किसी भी appliances को अटैच कर सकते हैं because हर appliances का अपना फ्यूज है, तो हम उस रिंग सिस्टम के बीच में इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, all the appliances in the ring system are connected in parallel, they are not connected in series. All the appliances are connected in parallel. Why? Because the same supply of voltage is available for all the electric appliances, ठीक है? सेम सप्लाई जाएगी. if we suppose 4 ampere current is produced, right? so we have to divide it into parallel, 3 parts में divide करना है parallel में, ठीक है? 4 parts में कर लो सपोज, तो 1 ampere will pass, 1 ampere will pass through it, 1 ampere will pass it, तो same current is passing through all the appliances, right? so as a result each electric appliances work under constant voltage, सबकी voltage क्या होगी? constant होगी, right? so and each appliances work independently, work separately. अगर एक फ्यूज हो जाएगा, एक खराब हो जाएगा, तो दूसरों के ऊपर कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ठीक है? एंड वन पार्ट इज लेफ्ट हियर, शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग. sometimes the plastic coating, and you know that all the wires are covered by a plastic material, right? so sometimes the plastic coating on the live and neutral wire gets melted or torn, खराब हो जाती है या मेल्ट हो जाती हैं, which cause them to touch each other. और दो लाइव एंड न्यूट्रल वायर आपस में टच हो जाती हैं कई बार, तभी शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है ना, right? so the resistance of so formed circuit is very low, hence allows a large current to pass through, this causing heating of the circuit and it causes fire, and this is called short circuiting. Means when live and neutral wire combine, they cause short circuiting, right? so with this video our first part of the chapter is complete. See, right? if you have any problem you can ask me in the Zoom class. First I want all of you to go through the video, right? it is a little difficult chapter, so you have to go through the video. Rest I will explain it in the Zoom class, right? Thank you.